In this tutorial, we will discuss the powerful customizations features available in FogBugz and how you can take advantage of it to add client-side JavaScript and CSS to your FogBugz instance. Some of the things that you can do are tweaking the user interface to your liking by adding your own style sheets that match your branding. You can also create custom workflows to support the way your teams work. Let me show you how easy it is to create your own customization. Click on the avatar and select customizations from this menu. This tab, as you can see, shows a list of all customizations that are currently active. To create a new customization, click on this button, which will open up the editor where you can place a custom code under the appropriate sections for JavaScript and CSS. Today, I am going to write a simple customization that will add a couple of links in the sidebar to GitHub and Stack Overflow. I have the code already written, so I'm going to just paste it here. Before saving, make sure it has a meaningful name, what it will do, the author's name and version number if any. Now I'll save the changes. Next, I will open the customizations you own tab. Here you can see the new item that I have just added. And as you can see, it is not enabled. So I'm going to enable it now. Before the customization can take its effect, we need to refresh the page once. There you go. The links are now visible and they are pointing to GitHub and Stack Overflow. Right now, the customization is available only to me. I can also share these customizations with my other colleagues. Click on the Edit Rules button and then select the people that you want to share with. You could choose individuals or we can choose a group of users. We can also specify whether the customization should be on or off by default. And that's it. Now the customization is available for everyone. They can choose to use it. Over the years, we have built a number of customizations like this. We have handpicked a few popular and useful customization which we have shared with you in this support article. You can choose to use any of them and apply them to your instance. If you're looking for something specific that you don't find in this list, you can reach out to us. Our professional services team will be more than happy to assist you in creating the required customization for you. With that, we have come to the end of this tutorial on customizations. Thank you.